Understanding the recent 7.1 magnitude earthquake in Nepal, key insights. 1. The earthquake's epicenter was near Labuki, close to the Nepal-Tibet border, causing significant concern. 2. This region's geographical significance stems from the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates colliding. 3. Tremors were felt across North India, particularly in Delhi NCR, impacting millions of residents. 4. Emergency responses included safety advisories in Nepal and India, urging preparedness for aftershocks. 5. Nepal's history shows it as a seismically active zone, with frequent earthquakes shaping its landscape. Stay informed and prepared for seismic events. Subscribe for updates.